Eneia White. I'm a New York-based interior designer, and welcome to this Brooklyn townhouse that I designed for my clients. This home was filled with original detail and charm, so we didn't want to disrupt any of that. But we did want to make it feel fresh with color and modern silhouettes. So let's take a look at the results. Welcome to the main living area. This is the first thing you see when you enter the home. Casual elegance was the name of the game here. A bit of uptown and a lot of Brooklyn. The main colors in this area rug are variations of creams, grays, and blues. You can find gray in these two oversized coffee tables and our leather buckle chairs, and dark blue in this custom-built wall unit. This home has huge bay windows, and this opportunity allowed us to install a daybed in what would otherwise be a waste of space. But the star of the show is definitely the chandelier. It's the perfect punctuation to this Brooklyn living room remix. For this dining area, we wanted to create a haven for hosting and entertaining. The original chevron floors provide a direct link to the rest of the space, while the cloud wallpaper delineates it and makes it feel unique. We designed this dramatic bar unit to really get the party started. It's the perfect place to pour another round for your friends. On the opposite wall, we hung large-scale art framed by these contemporary sconces. Now let's take a look at what we did upstairs. In a past life, this might have been a closet, but we converted this extra bedroom into a nursery. We brought in this custom molding for visual interest, but left a large area for artwork, which in this case is actually a piece of framed wallpaper with the tiger and jungle theme. It reminds me of an illustration in a children's book. And to keep the theme of animals going, we also brought in a large stuffed alpaca and elephant. It's so important for nurseries to be fun, visually stimulating, yet also functional. Now, let's go see the main bedroom. This room captures tons of natural sunlight with our bay windows and our walkout patio door. The lavender walls cast a beautiful glow that makes everyone look good. And we shook things up a bit with a few shades darker on our closet doors. We really opted for a bit of classic and traditional charm with our applied molding design behind our custom nightstands and our custom headboards. One of my favorite components of this main bedroom, the custom window draperies. Fun fact, every single drapery panel is a different length, which is a subtle nod to the eccentric character of New York. Space is at a premium. So what we did here was we capitalized on a funky niche that had no purpose, and we turned it into our very own customized shoe storage closet. Lucky for us, our client loves shoes. Overall, we wanted this room to feel like a warm hug at the end of a very long New York day. I think we succeeded. I hope you've seen how whimsical modern touches can really flourish in a traditional space. See you next time.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.